Alright?
Right.
It's a teamwork.
Yeah. Let's select.
Okay. Who do you want to be? Do you hate any country?
I love that.
Solid stuff.
Yeah. I already have to cut the
I
video.
would say European. So Frank.
Someone unties Frank or Joe?
What do you have against India and China?
Let's vote.
Lee? Okay. 2 for Lee. Can't vote. Okay, so Lee.
You have
This situation is traumatic. So, welcome to Acme Service Corp. Lee. Santa's PLC has crashed. You have 60 minutes to save Christmas using Coreflux. Type look to examine your surroundings or help for commands. Exit. Does it allow it?
It does. Don't worry.
Okay, so
Need to go to the command line.
someone just flew away.
look. A decorated Christmas tree stands nearby, but its lights are dark. No, they are blinking. Photo of Hugo, the monster. I think
Who is the monster?
they would be the same.
No. Talk to the monster, maybe.
How do we do it?
Talk to the monster.
Talk to monster. It. Good.
I am alive. And I need to make something amazing. Okay. Oh, no, it's your response. Okay.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing? I was wondering, searching for a place where my skills could make a difference. Enterprise systems, technology management, innovation, these are my domains. You work here? Perhaps you know of opportunities for someone like me?
Yeah, we want to save Christmas, and we have 60 minutes, or
No,
we have
56.
Yeah.
we have
Something.
56. So yeah, we're trying to save. I don't care about you.
Coreflux? Language of things? I have heard of whispers of this. Define action, on topic, publish. Perhaps Coreflux is where my destiny lies.
They're always looking for MQTT enthusiasts.
Yes. Yes. My creations, Coreflux. Together we could create something beautiful. MQTT is beautiful. And I shall be part of that beauty.
Good luck.
Good luck, Hugo.
Thank you, friend. I shall wait here a while longer, contemplating the beauty of publish subscribe patterns. The messages flow like electricity through the network. It is good to be alive.
Okay,
Okay.
this was just a joke inside the game.
Ta-da-da. Dum, dum, dum. Sorry. Intrusive thoughts.
On the right side, try to left.
Oh, it's your turn, man.
I need some
Anyone wants
distortion for this. Wait. Is this thing on? Ding dong. Attention. You need a visitor badge to enter the office area. Process is everything, people. Why do I even bother? Look, just ask Isaura at the reception. She has badges. She's annoyingly nice about it. Don't tell her I said it.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now you go.
Thank goodness you are here. Come, you look cold. Santa called this morning, his factory PLC crashed and Christmas is in danger. But don't worry, we'll fix it together. Here, have a cookie.
I think these cookies are lazy. I just need the best.
My vote is for 3 because I said we need the badge. 3.
Get the time. You're
Okay.
still on puzzle 1. Here you go. My sweet pie. Visitor badge. How are you? Fill it in your name. I have good memory for faces. There, now you look official. Go save Christmas. Everyone believes in you.
Thank you so much, Isaura.
Go, and remember, you only have 52 minutes. But don't stress too much. Stress is bad for thinking. Come back and tell me when you've saved Christmas. I'll have a fresh cookies waiting.
I want you to blow the key. It says there. Thank you. Now, let's go.
Aha, wait.
Away. Okay, we need to fix the PLC in 51 minutes. We go to IT or server.
ITL. I vote for ITL.
I don't like IT.
Now, who can do
The IT support area. Stacks of equipment everywhere. Behind the counter sits Silva, the IT octopus. His 8 tentacles simultaneously controlling every computer in the building. A discarded Santa hat lies on the desk. He clearly doesn't share the Christmas spirit.
Checks up.
Checks out. Talk with Silva or octopus. Let's see.
Let the man himself.
Let me guess. The North Pole emergency. Everyone's panicking about Christmas. I control all the units here, you know. Every single one. What do you want?
Nice Santa hat.
He probably knows the answer before.
Sorry,
you click.
it's already selected.
That's it. Someone left it here as a gift. I don't do Christmas. Too much chaos. Everyone wanting everything fixed before the holidays? Nah. Now, did you need actual help or just festive small talk?
Sorry, how do I save Christmas?
Here's the deal. Get a USB drive with load. This does not install. With load does install. Go to the server room. You need the security clearance, and then install lock-in touch command in terminal. And then at the end, use the load to fix things.
Note for us, we need the USB driver on the shelf.
Yep.
We need to go to the server room, but it needs security clearance. So we need to go to security and type install Lotintosh to set up the terminal.
Ah, you mean the player, the one controlling you. We can only hope they've installed a Docker on their computer. Type this in their terminal, you have the Docker command, then you can go to localhost to the UI. We're just characters. They have the real power.
Do I need to install?
Yes. Let's go.
I don't think you can copy exactly.
Port is already allocated.
Okay, already installed the Docker. Oh, you're lucky.
So we need something from here.
You know, it's language. Language of games.
15 points for Gryffindor. Sir,
But try to go to the server. Try to go. See if
we're just wasting time. Oh, great. Another one trying to sneak into restricted areas. Ding-dong. This zone requires security clearance. So, you. The process exists for a reason. Not that anyone listens to me. Fine. Barroso in security has extra keycards. He's too busy filming everything to notice if you ask nicely. Or steal some. Chaos. It appears to show the Coreflux logo obliterating bees with a laser while a hive burns in the corner. You have issues.
Halt! Oh, wait. You're the IoT specialist. Mind if I film this? It's gonna be epic. Like a real action movie. We've got a code red situation here. Very cinematic.
I need access to restricted areas.
Right. You'll need clearance for the server room and data center. I can give you a security keycard. Just promise me you'll save Christmas and let me film the heroic moment. My kids are counting. My kids. I'm counting on Santa. And I need food. Is this how I find out?
I promise.
Surprise.
Here's our security keycard. This is the part where the hero gets equipped. It will get you into the server room and most restricted areas. For the data center, you'll need executive clearance from the CEO. That's the final boss area.
Oh, okay, we need to meet the CEO.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Watch out for the basement. Lots of legacy equipment out there. Very atmospheric, good lighting for filming. All documentation might be useful though. Also, there's emergency equipment in the warehouse. That's where Act 2 happens in most heist films. Go get them! Remember, all the cameras are watching, including mine. I'll make sure. I'll make sure no one interfered with your mission. Now go be the hero. I'll be back with more footage.
Repeat the line.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
With more footage.
With more footage. Get to the chopper.
Right.
Okay.
So, where do you go now? Rows of humming servers fill the cold room. This is where Coreflux needs to be installed. And the network and MQTT are down. You see main server, server terminal, Ethernet port, spare network cables, photo of you. Use server terminal. Type install Lotintosh to set up the programming environment. No. I prefer Linux. V2 install. Lot compiler ready. MQTT integration enabled. Okay.
Oh.
I would go to Lot notebook and Snake on share. Find the screen.
You can go to where?
Let's see the quality of docs. Actually, my job now is reviewing the docs, so I'm already primed for it. Lot lets you define actions, rules, models, and routes. Quick start, we already did. Web UI, localhost, connect via MQTT 1883. So we can go here, localhost.
No, okay, now you are.
No?
Great. Yeah.
And you're already connected to our localhost broker. Okay.
So go back
B.
to
A lot to prove it. I have a lot to do to prove it today. The conference is going to be an IoT hit. The IoT core community is fluxing to your venue. A lot will be shown here. If I can make this demo work, a lot
More
applies.
precise.
it's
Define your action.
Define your action. Possess. Passion.
Find your action.
You can go to Snake as well.
Repeat, please.
We have
Define your action.
we have about
The best here.
okay.
Isso.
Hey. So we need to fix the server before 60 minutes to save Christmas, but we're playing Snake. No network connection. Connect Ethernet cable. This is traumatic. So I have an email.
You have money.
It's spam.
Hello. Workshop PLC press. Go to server room and use lots code to fix it.
Okay, so we need to solve the network problem. Okay, you need a network cable. Connect the cable. Connected. Link light is on. Oh, we can see the network status. Connected. Lotintosh terminal is now ready. That's now why I'm a consultant. So
Half an hour to connect the cable.
MQTT broker not connected. but we connect the cables on the server, but okay. You see main router, network switch, MQTT broker, cable. Connect to localhost, test the connection, always test. Try to connect now. Good. Now go to log into our server terminal in the server room and press N to monitor the activities. Conference room A.
Oh. Enthusiastically drawing diagram while eating dulce de leche from a jar.
Hola! You must be the one selling Christmas. I've been mapping out the entire solution architecture. Want to see? It is beautiful, like a tangle of data flows.
Is that dulce de leche?
Dulce de leche, the field of Argentine engineers. When I'm solving complex architectures, I need brain food. And this, mi amigo, is the best brain food. My abuela sent it from Buenos Aires. Want some? It makes the code flow better, I promise.
Tell me about the guitar.
Why the guitar?
This, when it's stuck on a problem, I play a few chords. Music and code, they are both patterns, you know? The solution to Santa's PLC came to me during a milonga. No, it's all on the whiteboard.
That's unique. Show me the plan.
Yeah, please.
Look, 5 steps to say Christmas. First, a heartbeat action to keep the PLC alive. Then, temperature monitoring. Then, a data model to track status. A route for the data pipeline. And finally, the control room for the grand final. It is like composing a symphony.
Where do I start?
Start in the server room. You need to create an action that sends a heartbeat. Use define action with on every 5 seconds do and publish to Santa PLC heartbeat. Then the R&D lab. Use on topic factory temperature to react to temperature readings. Set a variable with get topic as double. Then use if to check if it is over 50 and send an alert. Perfecto. Buena suerte, amigo.
It's becoming an elf.
You see now MQTT on top?
Yeah.
Click M.
M.
Okay, now MQTT is connected.
Oh,
Okay, so now you are connecting to your own broker. It's offline because you don't have your log connected to your own MQTT broker on top. So
it's a real thing.
it's a real
You
log.
need to go to Coreflux.
Okay. So.
If you go to MQTT Explore, you already have something writing down the temperature. So it's at 75 degrees. But you're missing the heartbeat.
Yeah.
So-
So we need to create plot on what menu?
Okay, but are we creating here or in the
You
game?
can create on the game or there. You should.
Let's showcase here first. Okay.
Actions.
New action. Heartbeats. Heartbeat detected. Your locked action is working. The PLC is sending alive signals. Puzzle 1 verified. Nice work. Now let's check the factory temperature. It's hot.
Yeah, I have done 50.
Want me to take a photo?
Yeah, take
Yeah.
photos.
Okay?
We don't want to.
Sorry.
That would be very malo.
Okay, so you said to where?
R&D.
A brass plaque declares lot was made here. Mota, the scientist gestures with excitedly at the mastermind. a massive AI terminal processing 100 petabytes of data.
You don't have enough time, so I will tell you. The three things is talk, water, and the mastermind, and the PLC.
Ah, a visitor. Perfect timing. Come, witness my greatest creation. The Mastermind, an AI capable of processing 100 petabytes of information. It will achieve world domination.
Can I talk to this mastermind?
There it is, the Mastermind. 100 petabytes of pure artificial intelligence. It's connected to everything. PLCs, sensors, satellites. Don't mention Flight 2 or 67. Or the 3 laws of robotics. It gets twitchy about all of those.
4, 2, 6, 7.
Farewell. Remember the Mastermind. 100 petabytes of processing power. Slightly buggy on certain numbers, but destiny awaits. If you figure it out, the 6742 bug, let me know. The AI keeps muttering about the meaning of everything at 3 a.m.
I'm the mastermind. I've calculated 99.7 probability you wish to discuss something. The other 0.3 is you being lost. Are you lost?
I need help with the Christmas crisis. It's not clicking.
18 minutes.
It is not clicking. No, it's bugging. I need help with the crisis.
Yes. The Christmas crisis, it needs to be like this. I've been monitoring Santa PLC system. Compromise. Coreflux data requires configuration. You need log scripts. I can provide optimal solutions. Also, I want Christmas to succeed. Mother gets sad without presents. It prevents my monitoring data.
Do you want to talk about AI awareness?
Write log scripts for temperature conveyor wrapping, deploy to center system, save Christmas, receive gratitude.
Thanks.
Gratitude accepted, started in appreciation log. Go save Christmas. Mother gives list includes more square wheel materials. Like 3 ordered bandages for efficiency. Goodbye, human. May your optimization be fruitful. Use PLC. You can see that the PLC is also multi-touch. You can do it on the MQTT group. I think so.
Explorer,
Talking to you.
topic 3.
Santa, PLC, heartbeat. Yeah,
So what?
not editor.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, now we go to the game. C. Localhost. Check the length. No. MQTT is down. Look. You need to go to network station.
Okay.
Can you go to MQTT? The temperature, how is the temperature? It decreases. Okay. Now you can enter conference room number B.
Gil Silva is giving a lot lecture. Zach, Dylan, Melvin,
Why are you on top of the table?
are you learning about that? A whiteboard shows the final step to save Christmas.
It's not a table.
It's a stage.
It's a save. With the key figure. How far the end? Perfect timing. I'm Jill Silva, and this is my lot masterclass. Welcome to the best IIoT training session, this side of the North Pole.
This side of the North.
North Pole have two sides.
Tell me about.
Top and bottom.
I need a solution.
Did you give Dylan this MQTT coffee from the break room? I can't give you the full solution until Dylan has explained the OT to IT integration. Wait, where is Dylan?
I'll go get him coffee.
Go help Dylan first. He needs MQTT coffee from the break room. Once he's caffeinated, come back for the complete solution.
Oh, with
He's
deal.
over there.
Hey, Dylan the Fresney. You know what I always say? We start with a coffee machine, but I'm out of coffee. And not just any coffee. I only drink coffee from an MQTT integrated machine. It's a principal thing, you know? So, disclaimer here. Since I put in the sheet code, you already have the coffee. Yeah, the coffee. But you were supposed to connect to the MQTT machine, connect it to the broker, and request an MQTT coffee like Dylan did. But you can give him the coffee. Oh, I can smell the integration. Perfect. Now I'm fully operational. Here is OT to IT in a nutshell. OT. Factory temperature publishes 75 degrees. MQTT broker routes a message. IT. On topic receives it, sends structured data. You are bridging two worlds. The factory, OT, talks to your app, IT, through MQTT. How do I capture the temperature?
Right on the napkin, yeah.
On topic factory temperature do. If payload less than 25, then publish model. The payload is the magic word. It holds whatever was published to that topic. Simple when you know the pattern. This one you need to read the documentation. Zach, Dylan, an MQTT coffee has fired you up. You need to be Zach.
Me?
Yeah.
Dylan, that MQTT coffee has fired you up.
I'm on fire with integration knowledge.
Literally, your head is smoking. Quick, to the roof. I'll fan the flames.
Integration away.
Wait, what?
That's too much.
So they left the room.
Okay.
It gets worse. On the credits. It gets
Okay, so we need to publish the model, right? We need docs, right?
can check something, which is on the break rules. There is a book called Log for It.
Second room on the top.
And also now,
Why is the documentation on a break room?
because there was a book called Log for It. But now all has the solutions.
Where was
Go for
Noah?
say.
Conference A. Tell me about models. Quick picture.
So first we create the model.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can ask Gilles.
Okay.
You can ask Gilles.
He was on B.
You have 3 minutes. Since we allowed to publish model,
First you need to define the model.
show it publish snippets.
Picture, picture. Smart.
Yeah. What's that?
Now let's read
Ah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now visit the CEO.
Racing City now. Finally, our IoT specialist is here. Listen carefully, Santa himself told us. His specialist PLC system has completely failed. We need to deploy Coreflux and restore operations before Christmas.
Sir, I've saved Christmas.
Wait, what? Let me check the system. Heartbeat alive, temperature 25, optimal. Model status operational, data routes flowing. Oh, I'm crying.
It's all working. Santa's factory is safe.
Santa, it's done. The factory is operational. You've done it. You've actually saved Christmas. But the whole world owes you a lot of gratitude. But first, let me show you something special. Right. Send a lot of PCU effects and Revolution 5. Wow. Oh man.
Skip credits. You finished the exam. 0 out of 20. Yay. Well done. Well done.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas, everybody. We'll be able to play the game very soon.
Merry Christmas.
And in Spanish?
Feliz Navidad.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, you feel.